Hello everybody and welcome to 4th Friday Flag Fun here on Inland Urbanist. Today we're going to start this series off by taking a look at the flag for the city of San Bernardino, the county seat of the oldest county out here in the inland region. San Bernardino is founded in 1810 per the city seal, and so that makes this year, 2025, also their 215th year of existence. Without further ado, let's jump into the flag. The city of San Bernardino flag consists of a yellow field with the city sealed emblazoned on it in the middle and the words City of San Bernardino on top and bottom of that. So what we get is really a flag that says City of San Bernardino, and then the city seal also says San Bernardino, California, so it is kind of redundant in that regard. I don't think CGP Grey would give this flag high marks, but that's neither here nor there. I do own a physical copy of this flag. As you can see, this flag has flown on my bike from time to time as I ride it around in the region with this flag flying out the back of my bike. I don't think it's the worst flag around. I do see the redundancy of the city of San Bernardino, a statement on a seal that says the city name. It probably could be improved, but I don't think it's the worst flag around. Trust me, as we get through the rest of the series, there might be some doozies coming up. The city of San Bernardino flag has been around for a while. I have not been able to nail down exactly when it was adopted as the city flag, but it features the city seal, and so it has been around for a while. As can be seen, the city seal consists of 4 elements in the middle of the San Bernardino, California, founded 1810 part. So the bottom part is a kind of a plowed field. Top part, we have the mountain and the arrowhead. The right side has the wagon trains for the colonizers or settlers who came out to start the city. And the left side has a train, as San Bernardino featured prominently as a crossroads for trains, and the gateway to Southern California is sometimes the motto of the city, due to the fact that all the train lines out of the region all pass through the city in some way or another. The city flag is not the most popular flag around. It certainly is not the Amsterdam or the Chicago flag. Nevertheless, it is used in real life besides just on my bike. It is flown at City Hall of City San Bernardino. It could be flown at the police station, the central police station. They do have 3 flagpoles. However, when I've been around there, I've not seen any flags flying, so that is in theory another place where they would fly the city flag. You might also think that they would fly the city flag at the central library. I stopped by and they only had 2 flags poles out. They only had the state flag and country flag on those poles, so there is no city flag at the central library. Other places include places like Corporate Yard, and it also is used for city meetings like in planning commission, city council, etc. The only place that really flies the city flag for City of San Bernardino is the City Hall building. Notice I said building, not City Hall, as City Hall functions and offices are strewn about a set of other buildings in the general vicinity, but the City Hall building itself is not in use and has not been for a long time now. So anyway, that's the City of San Bernardino flag. Do you think it's fine as it is, or do you think CGP Grey should have a turn at it? And do you live in a city in the inland region that has a flag? Leave your comments in the box below, and be sure to like and subscribe for new videos. Thank you for joining this first episode of 4th Friday Flag Fun. We will see you next time for a new flag. Until then, happy writing. Are you wondering why this video is not premiering on the 4th Friday? That's because you're watching it on YouTube. If you want to get it on the 4th Friday next time, make sure to go over to Patreon and subscribe there so that you can see it on the 4th Friday. And thank you for the support.